Good afternoon, good evening. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In this video, we're going to check a South African Powerball. Today we are Tuesday, so it's praise today. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Don't forget to join our VIP group. To join, you have to WhatsApp this phone number. We have a 100 rand group. To join is 101. So far, I have another one which is more expensive. The benefits are very different. 06777298841 is my phone number to WhatsApp. Yes. So let's start. Keep quiet, Amy. I don't want to give it to you since you refused. So let's start. Alright, so South African Powerball praised Tuesday and Friday. The first method I would like to advise everyone to use is a bonus of Powerball Plus and the Powerball. The bonuses I wanted to show you. For example, you add them together. When I add this one, I'm getting 10, right? Your first number is 10 if the number is pinnable. Remember to play 1 as well. And each number which move with 10, especially the number which move with 10. What number move with 10 is just 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. So let's move. 10 came on a Powerball Plus as 1. 20 came here as bonus. So if you add this together, I'll get 26. 26 is a number. Each number which move 26 with 26. But the division, and also you can see that 13 also played, because I don't know which number move with 26. Let's move. 2 plus 2 is a 4. 4 is moving with 2, 4, 8. They move along. So now we have a 2, then we're missing a 4 and 8. So you can see 8 is here. Let's move. 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13 is 25. 25 is always moving to 45. So 45 played on a Powerball Plus. Mostly they are using on a Powerball Plus. Alright, let's move. Alright, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is moving of 1 and 15. Right? So meaning that in a place of 8, they can, because the 8 already dropped, they can bring 1 or 15. 1 already there. But you see, 1 and 8, they are in consecutive draws, meaning that they can repeat. 1 and 8 can repeat. That's why 1 is here. Let's move again. 9 plus 19 is equal to 20. What? 28. 28 is always moving with 14 and 24. They didn't drop it here. Let's move. There it didn't come, but 20 is also, when you do minus 3 is 25, also it's worth 25. 25 move with 28 and 24. You can see that 25 played, 24 is the one which they play, and 28. So bonus plus bonus, it's bring the number which you can use to use a number coding chart. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 or 21 will be your first number. 12 and 21, they always like to appear as 24 and 42. That's where 21 came and 24. Let's move. So now it's time to use 22. Now 11 plus 11 is equal to 22, right? So we can use this 22, 33 and 44. Those are the numbers you can use, 22, 33, and 44. Those are the numbers for today again. Yeah, so that is how it is, 22, 33, and 44. 22, 33, and 44. All right, if each number, which one it move with. Let's move. So that was our first number, our first method. The second method is to take the first number minus the bonus ball. 13 plus 19 is equal to 6. 1 plus minus is equal to 8. 8 already played, you move to 9. 9 or 7. 7 already played, and then we have a 9 or 6. That's where this number became very hot. First number and the bonus ball. If you add, we have a 25, and 25 already dropped, right? But still it came. You can see 19 and 6 gave 25 away, right? 25 moved 45, do remember. So if they don't bring 25, they can bring 45. Then we have a 25 and 6, which gave us 31. So we have a 31 and 25 on this draw. All right. Then here we have 28 and 31. So those are the numbers. 31 will move over 19 and 21. 21 already played. Then we have 19 and 31 and 28. Because also you can see 29 sitting here and 39, which can give us 19. So on the Powerball, we have also 28, 31, and 19. This is a Powerball and a Powerball Plus, but South African one, not USA one. All right. So now it's time to use our first two numbers and the last and the bonus ball. You will use it like this. You will take this number sitting here and adding all the numbers sitting here like this. You will do croissant. You will do croissant like this. All right. All right. So when they say this is a 40, 50 plus 3 is a 53. Right? That is 53. Then that 53 for us, that is the number we're going to play. We're going to say 53 plus or minus 1 is 52 and 54. Then the plus or minus 10 is 43 and 63. 63 is bigger, then we focus on 43, 52, and 54 with their spin. That's where 43 came. Now, if we check here, 80, 85, and the bonus ball of here, we have 90. 90 just a 9, right? 90 is just a 9 and 6. And since the number is below 100, you have to add 1. That is also the number which is 19 came from, and the 9 came from here. So you can see, if you focus here, you can check that 53 gave us, if the number is below 100, we add 1 on each single. So we have 15 and 13. You can see also 13 is sitting here. And the 53 in the 50s, you move it to 43. And the 63 in the 60s, you move it to 53 when it's like that. When the number is nearby the highest number. Let's move. This one is gonna give us 91. 91 plus 19 is equal to 110. Right? So this is the code you break. We have especially 2, because this is 11 and it's a twin number. Then we have a 2 and we have 11, we have a 1 and we have a 10. Right? So we have also 20. Right? So since there is a 2 there and there is a 10 already, 2 can be 20, and then you have a 10 and 20 as a consecutive numbers. Those consecutive numbers will give us 30. So meaning that between 30 and 20 and 10, we have one number to drop. That's how 20 and 30 dropped, in case you want to know. Let's move. All right. So you can see that you do croissant of the last two number and the bonus ball. For example, this one 88, 97. 97 is a number which is below 100. The first thing you do, you play 9 and 1, 1 and 7. You add 1 in front of each number. 19 is 17. Then when you're done, you say, okay, I'm gonna play 9 and 7 and 6 also as a small number. Then also I'm gonna add them together as a 16. Remember 16 as well. So the most important thing is this number, and also you multiply by 2. If I multiply, I'm getting 38, 34, and 32. So guys, this is the reason we can see 32 around here. Alright, so this one gonna give me 69, 75. 75 is 15, 17. Then when you add together is 12, right? So 12, if you wanna multiply, but it's not like you wanna. You should multiply by 2. Remember that we multiply and we get 38 and 34. Now here we multiply, we get 34 again, and we have a 24 and 30. At least 30 played. Then you can see 24 sitting here quietly. 24 is sitting there. Yeah, even 17 here, even 17, the number which did not drop is only 15. So let's move. This is 79 plus is 85. 85 is 15. 18 multiplied by 2 is 36 and 30. Right? So meaning that between 36 and 30, we should get at least one number to drop. Between 34, 36 and 30 today we have 36 because they did not drop. I will show you the reason. 30 and 34. The reason is the why. The numbers, when you come here, we have 88, which is 97. 97 is 19 and 17. If you check it very well, 19 came, 17 left behind, and it came to play this side. When you multiply by 2, we have a 38 and 34. Now, 38 came back to play there, right? Yes, 34 is, 38. Now, 34 is a remaining number because here there is a 43. At least there is a number which played already. Now, we have a 34, right? Now, if we add these numbers together, we have 80, 91, 110, leave it, 110, sorry. 110, if you check it very well, we have 11, which is a pure number to see, because also there is a 10. So there is a 10, there is 1, and there is 11. The number which you can get without going under the knowledge, deep knowledge. So 11 is a pending number. 2 is a very clear there, and 20, 10, and 1. 1 played, 10 and 11 didn't play, but 20 played. 2, 10, and 11 are the number which are pending. That's why here. So meaning that they will use this code to come play that code. You can see this code dropped on Friday. So it came on other Friday. So they can use Tuesday to Tuesday, Friday to Friday. So if they use Friday to Friday, we have, it's not the if, but it must. Now we have a 7, 9, which is 85. So we have a 15, we have 18. Now you multiply by 2, we have a 30 and 36. Do you understand? 30 and 36, then 18 did not drop yet, and 15. So all these 4 numbers should come with. Today we are Tuesday. Now if you move here, we have a 79, 85, 79, 85 here. So all the numbers are just like that, 79, 85. So you can see that we have a 15, 18, 30, and 36. 34 didn't drop. All right, let's use. Now, if we can, they can steal some numbers here. Let's see what they're gonna have. Now, remember the pending number is 10 from here. Here. I think. Let me use calculator. I hope I did not make a mistake. 843 plus 48 plus 19 is, yeah, it's 110. So now, if there was still a number here with 788. 88, it's already a twin number, guys, which is 16 and the 8. Then the other thing you must know about 8 is a 18, and 18 is there twice, which is 36. So 36 is a hot number. Now 16 is also there, and the 8. Now if we come here, the number that should drop is either 8 or 16 or 36. No, 8, 18, 16 and 36. So those are the numbers that will come on Friday should be among this number, meaning that tonight it will only steal one number. I see 36 and 18 tonight, right? Then remember 18 move with 36, 16 move with 48, 8 move with 1 and 15. All right, so let's move. All right, so now let's move. Here we have 35, 16, 16, 5, 72, 83. 83 is equal to 38. That is very important. Then 83 is 18 and 13, or 31 just in case. Then when you multiply with 26 and 36. So I'm writing down 38. 18 is already there. The number that we did not have, we had a 31 as well, so you can see 31 there, which can be also 13. I'm not in for 26, already played as a 29, so let's leave it alone. That is the Powerball and the Powerball Plus. I will read the numbers for you. We have 22, 33, 44. Among this number, you only take one, especially 22. Then we have 28, 31, 19, 36, 30, 34, 15, 18, 16, and 8, 38, 13. Those are the numbers. So remember 8, 18, and 36. 8, 18, 36, and 16 are the hot number. 8, 18, 16, and 36. In case they want to play as a game, 19 is a spin of 16, right? Yeah, that is how it is. For the Powerball and the Powerball Plus, that is also very necessary. Now also you take the first number, the other simple method, you take the first number on Powerball Plus and the last number on Powerball, right? Now for example here it gave us 9 dropped, it's gonna give us 35 dropped, it's gonna give us what, 46, and the 19 is gonna give us 27. Remember 27, they played plus or minus 10. You understand? Between here there is 27. Remember 27 can be replaced by 29 in any lotto. That's why 29 is sitting here. Let's move. So it's mean we understand the reason they used it. And we have 39 minus 17 is equal to 20. So you can see that 22, and that is 22 is picked now. 22 and 36 and 18, it's a number that we picked. Now 22 is confirmed that we should pick it up, right? All right, that is very simple. Let's check it together if also the croissant of Powerball and the Powerball Plus can work. We have 46 or 44. We have 46 or 48. So you can see 44 is sitting there and the 46. So it's this one was for Tuesday. It came back again on Tuesday. Tuesday to Tuesday. Let's see Friday. 13. No, sorry. 46 and the 48. 46 it came. Then 44 and the 20 what? 44 minus 25 is equal to 19. 19 already played. Then you play the nearby number, which is 18 and 20. So 20 played because 19 played here and there. So it's make a sense. All right. Now, since this was for Tuesday, remember if you do minus here, we get 27. Now, 27 still have to be used. Is there any other result now? So 27, it came on a Tuesday here, then there is 29 on a Friday. So 27 is for Tuesday to Tuesday, 27 is for Tuesday to Tuesday, right? Now let's move. Here if you say 46 and minus 19, it's equal to 27, and the 25 and minus 44 is equal to 19. 19 already used. Let's move. Now let's move here. 22 is the answer there. Then here we have 17, which was already played. 17, the nearby number is 16 and 18. So meaning that 16 and 18, we still have to pick it up. So that, but they preferably 18. 18 move 36 and 14 and 35. So, yeah. So you understand that this method works. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, it's done now and it's over. I wish you well. We have 22, 33, 44. I picked the 22, 28, 31, 19, 36, 30, 34, 15, 18, 16, 8, 38, 13, 27. Yeah, good luck. Remember to join the group and see you.